fighting our own battles in some way, some form or the other. Cancer or no cancer, but to fight this battle and to come out successful. ऐसा कोई गाना हो जाए जो वो feeling दे सके, जिसमें कामयाबी की वो feeling आए.
Prepared for singing Mantra.
I know. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, let me be very clear. आपको frankly बता दूँ, Ragini was not. Well, she was not supposed to sing, but then, of course, she's a singer, and we're requesting her. Please, we're requesting. Once.
Okay, definitely.
Do. Choice, Ragini.
Thank you, Mantra. Thank you, everyone. Please bear with me. Suresh ji के बाद गाना is like a big mistake, but I'll do it. I won't be able to match up. I'm sorry.
A minor, B major, कुछ
नहीं,
ना.
I know my Suresh Kali एक, but still I'll not try. I would like to sing a song. मैं चाहूँगी कि आप लोग सब मेरे साथ गाएं ये गाना और मेरा साथ दें. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब,
Requesting all the children.
हम होंगे कामयाब.
All the bachas, come on, get up on the stage. Carry on, Ragini.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
आगे आ जाओ, थोड़ा सा आगे. सब ऐसे बीच में से जाएंगे.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
All the children in the house.
ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
Make some noise, people.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
बोले पापा, आजा. तेरी तरफ इशारा कर रहा था. Oh, what happened, my sweetheart? Ladies and gentlemen, रागिनी के लिए बाद में, पहले इन बच्चों के लिए जोरदार.
Thank you so much. आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा गाया. आप लोगों को देख के मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया.
What a moment, and thank you so much, Ragini, for making this magical moment here with us. And by God की कसम, कोई नहीं कह सकता that you are not a trained singer or anything. You definitely took the step after Suresh ji to a different height. Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
Zoردar taaliyan for our sweetheart with the most beautiful smile.
Thank you, Mantra. Thank you so much. And I would like to mention, Suresh ji, thank you so much, sir. It's an honor to meet you. और मैं चाहूँगी कि आपके जैसे और भी कई लोग इंस्पायर हों और आपके जैसा काम करें. जोरदार तालियां सर सुरेश जी. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Ragini, and thank you so much, children. In fact, बच्चों के लिए मेरे पास एक बड़ी ही खास चीज है. Aarti, can I have that wonderful set of books, please? Please get more. Guys, this is a wonderful book set which I've just been told. This is Warriors of Kurukshetra, in a way Mahabharata for children, and so that they can also learn and take inspiration to fight against evil. And this is one copy for each and every one of you. Again, you also should keep one because amongst the kids, tum bhi bachchi lag rahi ho. Ye lo. And this is by Mamta Bhatt and Trupti Seth, The Warriors of Kurukshetra. Please grab your copies. I'm sure hum sab ke andar karya marta hua ek bachcha hai. And this is for all of you. Thank you so much. This is Suresh Agarwal handing over these wonderful books. There you go, sir. There's much more. Any more? Please carry on. And in the meantime, जब तक कि आप यहाँ पर बच्चों को ये प्यारी किताबें पढ़ते हुए देख रहे हैं, if you're wondering what's happening on the left corner of the stage, this is my friend Machendra. Please come here, Machendra. Indebao, ऐसा है. Machendra, कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? हमारे दोस्तों को बताएं. फिर मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि आप करने क्या वाले हैं.
मैं मुंबई से ही हूँ. मैं बेसिकली कुछ अलग ही वर्क करना चाहता हूँ आपके लिए, और सुरेश जी ने खास स्क्रिप्ट लाया. मैं गुजार हूँ उनका, जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ मौका दिया परफॉर्म करने का. थैंक यू.
And one by one, I would request all my friends to say a word for this evening. And of course, something from your side. Mrinal, have you ever had, in your life, you've met someone who's fought cancer and come out of it? कभी किसी ऐसे शख्स से मुलाकात हुई है जिसको तुमने लड़ते हुए देखा?
In fact, I would not only say about cancer, but there are a lot of other diseases like people fight with. This is not the only thing. I feel everybody is fighting with something or the other in life. And I have come across one person who's fought with this thing, but he could not survive. But till the last day, that person fought. He smiled. He never thought that something wrong has happened to him, and nothing like that happened. But till the last day, he never felt that I don't know what's going to happen to him. But he kept on fighting, and he was there. Like, he always said that something other was also, there was one more thing which was there with him. So I'm just very happy to be over here, and I'm really saying this because I mean it. That looking everybody, I'm just seeing everybody, and I'm really feeling that everybody has a reason to fight in life, and I have now got a very big reason to fight in life for everything.
Yeah, of course, आपका शो लोग देखकर enjoy करते हैं, they entertain themselves. Many of them sit in the hospital for months and months, and उनके केवल एक ही friends होते हैं, हम, people on television. उस front पे, something to all those patients who are listening to you right now.
First of all, I would like to say that I think I'm extremely privileged to be a part of something like this. I'm extremely thankful to all the organizers for having me here. जैसे आपने कहा कि हम तो एक्टिंग करते हैं टीवी पे, पर दुनिया हमें टीवी पे देखती है, चाहे वो घर पे हो, किचन में हो, हॉस्पिटल में हो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं पर्सनली यहाँ पे आके कुछ लोगों को मिली हूँ, एंड अगर मेरे शोज से, अगर मेरे कैरेक्टर्स के थ्रू अगर मैं कुछ डिफरेंस, इफ़ आई कैन गेट सम डिफरेंस into their lives, positive change, I think I've done my bit. And also I would like to say how Mrinal said that there was this film called Anand where Rajesh Khanna was doing the main role, and it is one of my favorite films. So whenever I feel low in life or whenever I feel upset, I always kind of, I have that film in my DVD, so I kind of have a look at it and I just get a very good positive inspiration. Because राजेश खन्ना जी भी फिल्म में बस यही बताना चाहते हैं कि कुछ भी हो, even though उसे पता है कि वो he is not going to live too long, he stays positive till the end. उनके आसपास जितने भी लोग हैं सब रो रहे हैं, but वो खुद नहीं रो रहे, he is smiling till the end. So that is a very positive message. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Well said. Thank you. Come on, guys. Round of applause. What should I ask you? तुम यही बता दो, आनंद में राजेश खन्ना को कौन सी बीमारी हुई थी?
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगी कि cancer gets me a little emotional because I lost my mom 2 years back with, she had cancer.
So I think I have seen everything very closely. I've seen her in pain. I've seen her, fight. She was detected pancreatic cancer. We got her operated. She was absolutely fine. Then, within a year, it got back as liver cancer, and we just couldn't do much. And all she had was hope. So today, I'm really proud to be here. And I'm so thankful that you have called me here and I'm a part of this. So, thank you.
Really wish that you carry on having these wonderful friends with you, and I'm sure wherever she is, she's looked down on you and smiles. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Anna, please. Now, of course, you're a very, very popular actor. People take inspiration from you, और आपको देखा देखी लोग आपके जैसा बनना चाहते हैं. मैं चाहता हूँ कि if there is anyone out there, any patient out there, anybody who's fighting from cancer, who's looking at you and takes you as an inspiration, something that you could change their life.
First of all, I'm really honored to be a part of this event. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thanks a lot. Like Ada said, even my Nana ji was suffering from cancer. He had bone marrow cancer, which is very, very painful. So, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, I had seen my Nana, I had seen my mom. They never lost hope. My Nana, till his last breath, he always had that smile on his face. Every time he went for a chemotherapy, he's always had that smile on his face, and he always had that hope that I'll be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. मेरा सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. मैं अच्छा बनके घर पे आ जाऊँगा. लेकिन unfortunately I lost him. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी सबसे कि please do not lose hope. Family is the biggest support. यही टाइम पे family आपका साथ देते हैं. And I think that's a blessing अगर family का support मिल जाए आपको. Just don't lose hope. Just 100% यही सोचना कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगा. अगर आप दिन रात यही सोचते हैं ना कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगा, तो I think nothing is impossible in this world. Because I had watched this movie called The Secret. And I think everybody should watch this movie called The Secret. उसमें इतना positivity दिखाते हैं कि आप जो सोचते हैं, जैसा सोचते हैं, the universe actually does everything possible to make it possible for you. So I think just don't lose hope, think positive, fight for it, and you will be fine. Trust me. Thank you so much.
Gunjan, आप जिस शो में इस वक्त auspicious hands so that आने वाले समय में each and everyone who wants to stay connected with NGO Vishwas, ये newsletter उनकी मदद करेगा. Thank you so much, my friends, and thank you very much for coming here tonight and gracing the occasion. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. And now let's move on to our very own Mumbai boy, Vichendra, who's going to go ahead and show us some wonderful magic. Oh, there's a group picture on the way. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And now, requesting you all to now pay attention on the big screen. Jahan par, I like a little child, I'm really excited to see what Vichendra is about to do.